Okay, how to check your purchase history and Unilever. So first, login ka sa yung IM account. Then, pag naka-login ka na, click mo yung tatlong guhit sa taas. And then, go to purchase. And then, go to purchase history. And then, select the date. Then, view date range. Yan. Lagay mo lang yung date na gusto mong makita. So, yan. For example, from April 1 to April 6. So, ito yung mga na-record natin na purchases. So, dyan mo makikita yung history ng mga binili mo. So, kung gusto mong i-double check kung na-record na yung binili mo na maintenance for that month, dyan yung i-check mo, yung purchase history. Then, to check your Unilevel, go to reports, and then, wait lang. Disregard nyo lang yung mga guhit-guhit na yan. Ayan, go to your Unilevel, and then, enter the date. Ayan, so, period of February. So, dyan mo makikita yung mga purchases ng team mo for February. And then, ito, kunyari, January, gusto mo ding makita. So, dyan mo makikita yung Unilevel points mo